10 things to know about Rust. Rust is a systems programming language that focuses on safety, speed, and concurrency. Rust is designed to be a fast, efficient, and safe language for low-level system programming tasks. Rust is statically typed and has a strong, expressive type system. Rust is a statically typed language, which means that type checking is done at compile time rather than at runtime. It has a strong, expressive type system that allows for powerful abstractions. Rust uses a bar checker to prevent memory errors such as null pointer dereferences and dangling pointers. Rust has a unique feature called the bar checker that checks at compile time whether code is accessing memory in a safe way. This prevents common memory errors such as null pointer dereferences and dangling pointers. Rust has a powerful macro system for metaprogramming. Rust's macro system allows developers to write code that writes code, which can be used for metaprogramming tasks such as code generation and DSL creation. Rust has a growing community and a vibrant ecosystem of libraries and tools. Rust has a rapidly growing community and a wide range of libraries and tools available, making it easy to get started with the language. Rust has a modern syntax that is easy to read and write. Rust's syntax is designed to be clean and easy to read and write, making it accessible to developers with different levels of experience. Rust is memory safe and thread safe, making it suitable for building high-performance and reliable systems. Rust's memory safety and thread safety features make it suitable for building high-performance and reliable systems, such as web servers, operating systems, and game engines. Rust has low-level control over system resources, making it suitable for systems programming tasks such as writing operating systems and device drivers. Rust's low-level control over system resources, including memory management and hardware access, makes it well-suited for systems programming tasks. Rust has an active development team backed by Mozilla, and is open source. Rust is developed by a team at Mozilla, and is an open source project that is actively maintained and improved by a large community of developers. Rust is gaining popularity as a language for web development, game development, and other areas beyond systems programming. While Rust was originally designed for systems programming, it is gaining popularity in other areas such as web development, game development, and machine learning, thanks to its performance and safety features, or other common memory-related issues that can cause security vulnerabilities. We hope you enjoyed this brief overview of Rust. Like and subscribe to see more videos like this.